Hi, my name is Rubeen and I love to cook. When I want to cook, I will go downstairs to the kitchen and open the fridge and take some eggs, and I always ready the pan to cook, and that is my egg, and I love to flip it. And yeah. Ooh, yeah, that is my egg. That's so nice. I'm proud of myself, and I take the plate to put down to put my egg, and yeah, and I cannot eat without water because I always thirsty when I'm eating, and I will serve, and that is me tasting my food, and yeah, it's good, and I'm dead. So that's all of what I love to do. Stay safe. Bye.